please watch full video for better and permanent solution. Power off all of the devices connected to your TV via HDMI cable. Disconnect all of the HDMI cables from the TV. Turn your TV off. Unplug it from the wall for 10 minutes. Press and hold the TV's power button for about 30 seconds. Plug all the HDMI cables back into the TV. Plug your TV and the devices back in. Before fix the problem, check the following issue. 1. HDMI cable is not connected correctly / damaged. 2. Clogged HDMI port. 3. The source device is faulty. 4. Broken port. 1. Reset the HDMI ports. Power off all of the devices connected to your TV via HDMI cable. Disconnect all of the HDMI cables from the TV. Turn your TV off. Unplug it from the wall for 10 minutes. Press and hold the TV's power button for about 30 seconds. Plug all the HDMI cables back into the TV. Plug your TV and the devices back in. 2. Factory reset your TV. Open Settings. Select General. Select Reset, enter your PIN, 000 is the default. Select Reset. To complete the reset, select OK. Your TV will restart automatically. Power off the TV and unplug it for 10 minutes. Disconnected your external devices and all the cables. Press mute 1, 8, 2, power on the remote one by one in that order, or hold the exit button for 30 seconds. TV will turn on with factory reset screen. Choose factory reset. The TV will automatically turn itself off. Pressed power. TV will turn on with the original setup menu. Plug in each of the devices and HDMI ports. 3. Check for software updates. Go to Settings. Select Support. Select Software Update. Select Update Now. 4. Check your HDMI cable. Verify that the HDMI is plugged into the correct input and the source device is powered on. Additionally, inspect the cable and the port to make sure there is no dust in them and nothing seems damaged or bent too much. 5. Check the source. Select the correct source on your TV for the corresponding HDMI port. For example, if the cable is plugged into HDMI 1, then select that option on your TV. 6. Check your connected device. Make sure that the connected device you are using is actually powered on. If it doesn't turn on, then you need to contact the manufacturer of your external device to solve the issue. Also, if you turn on your TV first, then the external devices, try. 7. Try unplugging the cable. Unplug the HDMI from both of the devices and connect it again. Firmly pull it out of both devices, then plug it in the source device first and then the TV. If this fails to work, try plugging the cable in another port and choosing the TV's correspond. 8. Use a different HDMI cable. Try a different HDMI cable that was not being used earlier. Make sure to use a high-quality 4K HDMI cable. By using a different cable you can figure out whether there is a problem with the cable or with the TV. 9. Try a different source device. If the new device is working in another port, then there is a problem with the original source device. If the original port is not working, but the other device is working in another port, then there is an issue with the original port. If the new cable is working in the original port, then the original HDMI cable needs to be replaced. If the cables and ports are working, there could be an issue with the source device.